Hi guys, so for this week's design I've picked this purple holographic as a base. Once more, this is one of my indie polishes. This is shade Kira, and if you are in the UK you can use the link down below to visit my store. So once you've painted your base colour, we are then going to use white and a dotting tool and create this flower in the centre of the nail. Sticking with the white polish, and this time a very small dotting tool, we're going to do 3 cluster dots here and 3 down here. So as I'm sure you expected, the last thing to do to finish this flower design off is pop a rhinestone in the centre.